The Bosh Pyrolytic Self Cleaning Oven. Ever wished your oven could just clean itself? With the Bosh Pyrolytic Self Cleaning Oven, it can. It's as simple as pushing a button. And with 3 levels to choose from, you can tailor your clean to exactly what your oven needs. Your oven heats up to approximately 480 degrees Celsius, reducing any spillages to dust, which you can simply wipe away with a damp towel. The result? A perfectly clean oven with no chemical cleaners in sight. You can even program that cleaning function for a more convenient time, so you can get on with doing more things you love. The Bosh Pyrolytic Self Cleaning Oven. Sit back, relax, and let your oven do the cleaning.